Real estate's a long-term investment, boys and girls. It's not a short-term, okay?
Now, what's the most profitable strategy in today's real estate market?
There are people that I know in the past that were, house flippers. They would go in and they'd buy a property that was needed a fair amount of work. They'd do upgrades or remodels, and they were successful as long as the market trend keeps going up, and flip it, 2-3 years later. There is higher risk when you do that, having a little bit longer term view if the market changes, and that's really key, is to know the local market, know the trends, know the history.
You have to have a strategy for taxes too. If you have the right CPA, with investment homes you can do 1031 exchanges, and then eventually when your children inherit the house, the taxes start from zero at that point.
Buy and hold. I do that with my stock portfolio. Did it with my real estate holdings.
Long term.
Real estate's a long-term investment, boys and girls. It's not a short-term, okay? If you want to take depreciation on an asset, if it's a rental, there's some tax advantages there, but keep in mind if you sell the property, you got to pay it back. With regards to stepped-up basis, you got to be careful it's not an owner-occupied property. And then if the property goes up in value quite a bit, you've got capital gains issues. Again, you hold the property for long term, you get the rental out of it, hold it for as assets, and your beneficiaries inherit the property. They get what's called a stepped-up basis, so it eliminates a lot of the capital gain. Again, real estate, long-term hold for me.
Long term game for sure.